How about muscle car time here at Unique Specialty and Classics? 1972 Chevelle. Heavy Chevy graphics on the side. This is a tribute, FYI. Now underneath the hood of this one, 468 big block Chevy. Power steering, power brake car. That 468 is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. As you can see, cowl induction hood, and it is functioning. This car is finished off in Arctic white GM paint, black vinyl interior. I'm going to give you a little rundown of what's been replaced and what's been done to this car recently, but first let's kind of check out the condition. The front bumper chrome. Take a close look up at that grille. Headlight surrounds. Now as far as the exterior of this, the paint does have newer paint, vinyl top, chrome and weather stripping, all were gone through just recently. As far as the interior, headliner was just redone, carpet's new. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so there's probably 100 pictures of this car online. You'll be able to check out the interior, the vinyl top, the underside, the engine bay, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. New Cooper Cobra radial tires. Riding, as you can see, on a flat black 5-spoke style wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down this. See the car is straight, and again the paint is fresher on it. Shows well, good for any local cruise-ins, local shows, roll-ins, or hey, just out having some fun. You want to smoke some tires. There we go, black vinyl interior. Does have a retro sound style radio that has been added with an auxiliary port. All right, let's hit a little bit what's been done on this. As far as under the hood, it does have new headers. That's paired up with a 3-inch pipes stainless exhaust. Now there's a 750 carb on that 468 with electric choke. Does have new distributor, cap and rotor, plugs, plug wires, battery, single wire alternator. All related cables are new. There's a 3-core aluminum radiator underneath there with dual fan setup. New heater core, new clutch, fuel pump, fuel sending unit, new brake booster, master cylinder, proportioning valve, flex lines, and brake calipers. So a lot has just been gone through on this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll look at the exhaust coming out the back there. Let's check out this rear chrome. You see the heavy Chevy decal back here too. Once again, it is a tribute. Does have original heavy Chevy door panels in it, which is kind of interesting. Those are not easy to come by.
If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
Go ahead and peek up and down the driver's side of this. Again, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratched. It is pressure paint on it. Shows nicely. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out. Then we're going to fire it up, check out that engine bay. So those door panels, again, new carpeting. Front seat looks like it could have newer upholstery on it. Also, that headliner was replaced. That's in good shape. Very healthy sounding car. I'm going to fire it up for you here just a bit. Steering column mounted tack. A couple Summit aftermarket gauges. Oil pressure and water temp. Does have, like I said, a retro sound stereo added to it. It is working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Sound stereo. Fuel gauge here. Take a look at 68 paired up with a 4-speed manual. Wipers do work. Those going a second ago. Horn works. Door closes, fits nicely. Hear that rumble coming out of that big block V8. Alright. I'm going to pause this video a second because I got to get these hood pins out. Pop this hood. I want you to be able to take a look underneath there. See how it looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
First off, there's a cowl hood, and again, that is functioning. Master cylinder, booster, headers, power steering, big block Chevy, HEI ignition, 750 carb we mentioned earlier, aluminum radiator with that dual fan set up. Come around here and take a look at it. And again, you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures too. So, yeah, listen to that. Sounds like a beast. Want to have some fun? Want a big block muscle car? 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle 2-door hardtop. Little heavy Chevy Tribute. 4-speed in it. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.